Today we're going to be making chicken wings. So, yeah. So you want them to defrost so then you can pat them down so they're dry. Alright, you're going to need some salt, olive oil, black pepper, and baking powder. So you're gonna put everything in a bag so you can put the chicken wings in and shake it and put it on parchment paper with a pan. And have your oven cook or stove preheated to 400 degrees. So you're gonna put 1 teaspoon of baking powder, tablespoon of baking powder. Alright. And then 1 tablespoon of olive oil. Try not to spill it. So, here. And then you're gonna put 1 teaspoon of salt. Let me get this. Alright, Amy, you're not.
It shouldn't be like you're not supposed to know that I'm here.
Okay, we'll do it. Oh crap. Alright, so 1 teaspoon of salt. Just drop that in there. And then you're gonna put 1/2 teaspoon of black pepper. And like you can make it, or you can do whatever pepper you want. There's no rules. Whatever peppers floats your boat. It's alright. We're gonna put 1/2 teaspoon and drop that in there. You know, if you make a mess, just put it off to the side. And mix it in there. Rub it, you know, however you want it to be. Use a fork to mix it around, you know. Just want it to get in there. Grab a chicken wing. You're gonna close it off. And you're gonna mix it. Make sure to get it really in there. Ooh, yummy. Shake it. Have your little rod. Make sure it's all on there. And then you're gonna take it out. I'm gonna take it out with my fork. And then you're gonna put it on parchment paper. And then it should look like that. And just keep on doing that with all the wings. I just put everything up though. It's okay, you're just gonna mute this, so. Alright, I just finished all the, they're not gonna
No, it's like mom's right behind you.
Oh, okay. Alright, I just finished all the wings, so now they're all coated and everything. And I added some more olive oil. I added more olive oil, and I put some garlic salt and lemon pepper grinder, but y'all can put whatever you want. And yeah, so now we're gonna put them in the oven. And make sure it's at 400 degrees. And that's gonna cook for 54 minutes. Okay, so now for the fries, I just cut.
I peel them and I cut them. Come on. Stop laughing. Serious. Let her get it out first. Okay. Are you recording? Yes, she is.
Alright.
She's recording, puppy.
Okay, so I cut and peeled the potatoes in like fry shape form, and I am now soaking them in water. So just do that because you're supposed to. And now I'm using vegetable oil and putting it in a pan because we're going to be frying it.
Go ahead.
So just going to put it in there. Just going to do all of it. Just do all of it. So, yeah. And now you just wait for that to heat up. And then in 20 minutes I'm gonna flip the chicken wings. And then see? I can't be here.
It's because you keep laughing. What's wrong with you? Why are you laughing?
For 20 minutes, and then after that 20 minutes, you're gonna flip them and leave it for the rest of the 20 minutes. Because it's actually 40 minutes instead of 50 something. Alright, so the wings cooked for 20 minutes, and now we're gonna flip them. Oh, you can't even see my face. There you go. Struggling. Shut up.
You gotta stop the timer.
Alright, so once it's all flipped, you're gonna put it back in the oven to cook for the rest 20 minutes. And then we're gonna set Alright, so we're gonna take out the water.
Like this.
Wow.
Like this.
Can we cut this out?
Watch.
Remember when you dropped one?
I know. But that's the best part is when she does that. Okay, go ahead.
Just gonna be very careful. And I'm gonna put it in like during it, so once it's cooking I'll put them in and then I'll just cook nicely with it. Alright, now you're in the shot. You ready? Alright, so now that the first batch of fries are ready, I'm gonna take this handy jigger. I'm gonna put them in this gray thing in the pan. This is very useful. Let's take out all the grease. Guys look like right now. They're nice and golden brown. Let's try them. They taste good. Alright, so the wings just finished, so I'm going to be taking those out of the oven. The wings aren't done, are they?
What are you talking about? They look good. Do you still want more time? It's up to you if you want to put them for more time. Mom, what do you think? The wings.
I'm gonna have to redo this.
We'll just cut this part. I think they look good. Yeah, they look good.
Alright. So the wings are done.
Now you need to sit for a little. You can't even burn yourself.
What? Yeah, that's how they look. So look something like that. You can put it in for longer if you want it more crisp. But now you have to let it cool for at least like I'm gonna let it warm inside the oven while I'm waiting for the fries to cook. You can do whatever you feel like.
Jazmyn, please reject.
The finished plate